students, welcome to today's math class and today we'll do fractions. Fraction means a part of whole, means किसी पूरी चीज़ का एक part that is called fraction. A fraction is a number that stands for the parts of whole object or the collection of object. Whole and this is collection. 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 3/4 are some special term used in the sentence given below. All these terms are the name equal part of the things are called fractions. First is halves, 2 equal parts. Ritu's mother divided the chocolate bar into 2 equal parts and gave 1 part each to Lata and her brother Ankur. 2 equal parts are called halves. 2 equal part means half. Each equal part is called 1/2. Another way to write is 1/2. हाफ को क्या लिखेंगे हम 1/2. टोटल कितने देखिए, टोटल है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 में डिवाइड करना है इक्वल में, सो 4 4 दोनों साइड आ जाएंगे. क्लियर. नाउ fold the piece of rectangular paper into 2 parts of same size and shade 1 part. You have shaded 1 out of 2 equal parts. So किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा 1/2 को. You can also say that you have shaded 1/2 or 1/2. Next is exercise 6.1. Color the 1/2 of each figure. In first figure, you can color any one part. So that will be equal to 1/2. Clear? Next is thirds. 3 equal part. Into how many equal part has the bread has been divided by Ankur's mother? So 3 equal part are called third. 3 equal part करना means किसी एक पूरी whole का 3 equal part करना. So each part will show 1/3 या 1/3. It is written as 1/3. In the picture drawn below, 1/3 of each shape is dotted. 1/3 means 1 out of 3. ये सारे क्या है 1/3. Next is exercise 6.2. Take the figure which are divided into 3 equal parts. So first one, it is divided into 3 equal parts. So we'll take it. इस तरीके से आप देखेंगे जो 3 equal part पे डिवाइड कर रहा है उसको टिक कर देंगे. Next is fourths. Fourth means 4 equal part. Sumit mother cut the cake into 4 equal parts for Sumit and his 3 friends. When we divide the things into 4 equal parts, we say that each part is 1/4 or 1/4 of the whole thing. So each part क्या हो जाएगा 1/4 और 1/4 उस पूरे whole का. This is also written as 1/4. Take a whole sheet of paper and fold into 2 halves. Whole sheet ले लिया, उसको हमने 2 halves में fold किया है. Fold it again to make 4 equal part. On each of the 4 part, write 1/4. That means 1/4 or 1/4. 4 equal part is called fourths. Clear? Each equal part is called 1/4. 1/4 is called 1/4. 1/4 को हम 1/4 भी कहते हैं. Clear? 1/4 means 1 part out of 4 equal part is written as 1/4. 1/4 of each shape is denoted. ये किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं सारे 1/4 को. नेक्स्ट इज 1/3, 2/3 and 3/3. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. 1/3 is shaded और 1/3 is shaded. क्या किया इस पूरे होल को 3 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड किया, उसमें से 1 शेड कर दिया है. सो द शेडेड पार्ट दैट विल रिप्रेजेंट द फ्रैक्शन 1/3. हियर यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 2/3. So 3/3 are shaded, so that is equals to 3/3 is shaded, we'll say. Next is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 and 4/4. 1/4 is shaded. Here 4 equal part, out of that 1 is shaded, that will represent 1/4. Here 2 are shaded, so 2/4 को represent करेंगे. 3/4 are shaded, so 3/4 हो जाएगा. And next is 4/4 are shaded, means 4/4 is shaded. Next is exercise 6.3. राइट द फ्रैक्शन फॉर ईच शेडेड पोर्शन. ईच शेडेड मतलब हर एक शेडेड के लिए लिखना है. सो 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स है, उसमें से 1 शेडेड है तो 1/4. नेक्स्ट दिस इज ऑल्सो 1/4. दिस इज ऑल्सो 1/4. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज numerator and denominator of a fraction. Each fraction is written in the form of numerator upon denominator form. The upper part of the fraction is called numerator. Upper part को numerator, and that tells us about the number of parts we are talking about. The lower part of the fraction is called denominator. Lower part क्या कहलाता है? Denominator. It tells us into how many parts the figure is divided into. For example, the fraction 2/3. 2 क्या हो जाएगा? न्यूमरेटर, एंड 5 क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? डिनोमिनेटर. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज 6.4. राइट द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस. सो फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन इज 1/5. हियर 1 द अपर पार्ट इज न्यूमरेटर एंड 5 इज आवर डिनोमिनेटर. नेक्स्ट इज फाइंडिंग फ्रैक्शंस. Remember the following. To put the collection into 2 equal part, divide by 2. 2 equal part पे करना है means 2 से divide करना है. To put the collection into 3 equal part, divide by 3. To put the collection into 4 equal part, divide by 4. Clear? Next is some example. Amit wants to give half of the 10 marble to his friend. How many should he give to his friend? Half means 1/2, so divide by 2. Total 10 marble है, 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So half के लिए कितना देगा? 5 marbles. Clear? Next is exercise 6.5. Sumit ate 1/3 of the pizzas that had 12 pieces. How many pieces of pizza did he eat? 12 pieces का क्या किया उसने? 1/3 means 4 पिज़्ज़ाज, जो 4 पार्ट्स है उसने खाए. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज हाईलाइट्स. अ फ्रैक्शन इन द नंबर इज 10 फॉर द पार्ट्स ऑफ द होल और कलेक्शन. टर्म लाइक हाफ, क्वार्टर, 3/4 शो दैट they are part of the whole. The fraction has a numerator and denominator separated by a line. For example, 5/7. So line से separate है, बीच में line होगी. Clear? In the fraction, the number above the horizontal line is called numerator. In the fraction, the number below the horizontal line are called denominator. जो ऊपर वाला है numerator and नीचे वाला denominator. The line between the numerator and denominator is called the bar or the division line. There are 2 halves in the whole that are equal. To put the collection into 2 equal parts, divide by 2. To put the collection into 3 equal parts, divide by 3. To put the collection into 4 equal parts, divide by 4. Next is test chapter, multiple choice questions. Take the right answer. What fraction of the number is shaded here? 4 equal parts है, उसमें से 1 out of that 1 part is shaded. It will represent 1/4 part. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope आप सबको चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. अब आप इसे प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा.